It just makes you feel seen and heard, especially just how much it's not talked about, and so it's nice to hear it from a godly point of view.
It was raw. I really just expected to come here and work. I didn't expect to feel feelings.
I think it was fantastic. It was life-changing. It was very emotional. I felt the move of God, the anointing filling the room.
I pose this to you. What if we are more alike than different? What if the season of suffering was the only way we could experience the richness of His grace? What if we stop thinking we have it all figured out and trust in the one who actually does? How have you been able to accept this without blaming God?
For me and my faith, they're just mysteries. And you have to, as a person of faith, be okay with mystery.
What if our faith believed in the simplicity of what the Bible actually says? God is enough. His grace is sufficient in my weakness. He is my daily bread. He is my sustenance.
But listen, there is nobody more excited than the two of us about seeing our son whole in heaven.
Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.